Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the travel neck pouch and the travel neck wallet from Venture Forth. These pouches feature cutting-edge RFID blocking technology to keep all of your cards safe from skimmers. This is especially beneficial while on vacation because scammers like to prey on tourists and no one likes to be the victim in this situation. Both pouches have multiple compartments to hold your cards, cash, smartphone, passport, and keys. I like that everything has its own pocket so you can keep everything super organized instead of just throwing everything all in one bag. As you can see, the silver neck pouch has a convenient see-through window that's ideal for quickly grabbing identification of your choice rather than shuffling through the rest of your cards to find it. Both bags weigh only a couple ounces when empty, and when I add things like my phone, there's really not much of a weight difference, which is great. The straps are made of a semi-stretchy shoelace material that can be adjusted to fit any body type depending on how you want to wear it. The neck pouch in particular is a compact design that can be easily concealed beneath clothing. Personally, I like to wear items like this as a crossbody bag because it feels more secure. Since these bags are so light, you're not putting any real strain on your shoulders so they won't get sore. The neck pouch has a moisture-absorbing back mesh panel, and both pouches are water-resistant, so your belongings will be safe inside your pouches even if you get caught in some light rain. Remember, water-resistant does not mean waterproof, so don't go swimming with them. You know who you are. Whether you're going to a festival with your bestie, taking a family vacation, or simply running around town, Venture Forth has a small selection of colors to complement everyone's taste. If you consider one or both of these bags are for you, scroll down to the description for links to both. I really like these bags and would recommend them to anyone. They're very convenient and the price is unbeatable. I'll also leave a link to the Venture Forth main website so you can take a look at their other products. I really enjoy working with them. I'll definitely be using these bags when I travel, and I'm looking forward to bringing more products onto the channel in the future.